Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook an Egg McMuffin at home. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You will need 1 English muffin, 1 egg, 1 slice of American cheese, and 1 slice of Canadian bacon. Also, have 1 tablespoon of butter or cooking spray ready. Don't forget your non-stick pan and an egg ring for that perfect shape. This guide will help you create a delicious breakfast quickly. Now, let's get cooking. Heat your non-stick pan over medium-low heat and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Place an egg ring in the pan and crack 1 egg inside. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, then carefully flip it and cook for another minute. While the egg is cooking, you can also warm up 1 slice of Canadian bacon in the same pan until it's lightly browned. This ensures everything is hot and ready. With your egg and bacon ready, it's time to assemble your delicious sandwich. First, toast 1 English muffin until it's perfectly golden brown and slightly crispy. Next, place 1 slice of American cheese on the bottom half of the toasted muffin. Then, carefully position your perfectly cooked egg on top of the cheese. Finally, add the warm Canadian bacon on top of the egg. You're almost there. And there you have it. Place the top half of the English muffin onto your assembled sandwich. Your homemade Egg McMuffin is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately for the best flavor and warmth. This quick and easy recipe allows you to create a delicious breakfast in under 10 minutes. Feel free to customize it with your favorite cheeses or other toppings for a personal touch. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.